Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. Yes, are you waiting for me again today for the regular Sudoku? In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's still Wednesday. Wednesday, August the 11th, 2021. Three regular Sudokus we have here. The first one I have solved, binary. Then I will do a medium Sudoku, and the last one, a killer Sudoku. Yes. But first, this regular Sudoku medium. By the way, there's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus, but first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3227. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, and the 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Scan. How about the number? Yeah. Let's see here, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 1, I should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, on the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. Let me try another digit. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next, on that column. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and an 8. We have a 7 and an 8 in this column, so no 7 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are missing. 4 and the 5, let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5. Okay, so in the last column, now we have 2 missing numbers. Here we have 4 and a 5. Those 2 missing numbers in the last column are the numbers 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6 are missing. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 6. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 6. So the 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 and 8. 5 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and 4. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. 9 and a 4. And the 6 is missing in this row. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. No, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 of those missing numbers are the 9 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. In this column, we have a 9 here, we have a 3 here, and a 7 there in this column. So no 9, 3, and a 7 in this box. Those two boxes. The 9 and the 3 and a 7 goes in these 3 boxes. Let me mark those. 9, 3, 7. Okay. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? The missing numbers here are the 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. Alright. Then. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there, 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, and look, we have a 5 there. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright, so we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 it should be there. And now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Alright, and the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Okay. And now. And now, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 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 The only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. We have a 7 and a 4 in this row. So no 7 and a 4 in this box. The 7 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 4. Let me mark those two boxes, 7 and a 4. So we have a 7 and a 4 in this row. 7 and a 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. Okay, so one box left in this big square for the number 8. Alright, so we have 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7, I cannot fill this yet, but let me mark those two boxes. That means we have a 7 in one of those two boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 4. And that box should be a 7. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. Oh, we already have a 3 here. Ha 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 ha. Okay. 3, 3, 3, 3. I need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column. 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be there. One box left in the second column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. 2 is missing, 1, 2. 3 and 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and a 6 are missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing in this big square. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Yes. Definitely a 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. and I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds. Yes, with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix with 2 given numbers. See you then. Bye bye for now.